Hello friends, K of Hearts Designs back once again with another interesting design tutorial. I saw this job the other day in Upwork. The client needed a menu design for his food truck business. So I created this design. I'll show you the process of creating this design using Illustrator Canva. Let's get started. First, I will show you the job in Upwork. Upwork is a freelance platform where you can find jobs online. This is the design brief given by the client. The requirements are specific. The client has also shared the content for menu and branding. First of all, we will create the blocks for the menu items content. For this, I will use Illustrator to create the rectangles. We will use the same canvas size as the menu, and then start creating the rectangles where we will later place the menu items text. I chose Illustrator because it is one of the best software to work with shapes fast. So let me speed up this process so to not bore you. I am creating the base where to put the menu items later. You could create these structures in Canva itself, but I am using Illustrator because later we will roughen the edge of the rectangles to make it doodle-like or hand-drawn. This feature is currently not available in Canva. After creating the blocks, I am now roughening the edges using the Distort and Transform. Roughen to make it look like handmade or organic. You can see the edges are not straight. It looks like handmade. This will tie into the theme, because later, we will use doodle illustration as well. So we will now export this as transparent PNG and then import it into Canva to work on the design further. Now let's go to Canva and create a blank canvas for menu. First, we will import the structure we created earlier in this canvas. We will now start putting the items in these boxes. We can use 2 font styles and 2 font colors for contrast. Next, I'll add a badge-like element for combo text. Let's duplicate the text to all boxes. Later we will update the text for each box. They should be different. These information were provided by the client. Let's make the section header a little more interesting by pairing it with an icon. Now let's work on the header. For the main title, we will add a stylish font and name it Menu to make it a little interesting, and also match the theme of hand-drawn and doodle style. Now let's decorate the header further by adding doodles of restaurant foods. We need to make the call to action button distinct, so I am using a popping red. We have used this color in other places as well for consistency. I am using some decorative graphics to make the design a little more interesting. The body is a little boring, so let's decorate the body by adding doodles of the food items and place it in interesting places. This makes the background a little more interesting. Let's separate the menu item boxes by adding shadows. This adds a three-dimensional quality as well to the items. I am decorating the footer further by adding doodle pattern to the footer box. Remember, graphic design has two aspects. One is functional and another is aesthetic. Functional means the information should be clearly conveyed. For this we can use hierarchy, white space, alignment, etc. But we should also make the design visually pleasing. We need to balance these both. So our main contents are now in place. The final thing left is to check for alignments and final refinements. After the design is complete, you can either download it as high-quality print PDF or PNG and give it to the client or printer. So there you have it. This is how I created this menu design and submitted to the client via Upwork. You can also try applying for jobs in Upwork. It is good practice as well. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next creative video. Thanks for watching.